Hi everyone, welcome to Anthropology 185 HTA. I am your instructor for the course, John Schaefer. I've been teaching at the Middletown campus of Miami University for the past 8 years. Now, in this course you'll see videos and you'll see various content from John Cinnamon, from Mark Peterson, and also Leighton Peterson. John Cinnamon teaches at the Hamilton campus. Leighton Peterson and Mark Peterson are unrelated, and they teach at the Oxford campus. But I, John Schaefer, am the instructor. So if anyone ever says contact me, just contact me, Schaefer, instead of these other professors. They're not involved in this course right now. This will be a very hard course with lots of work due. Honestly, it's just a lot of work. If you've ever taken an online class, it's a lot of reading and a lot of writing and a lot of clicking. So be prepared. I hope you find it challenging, but not daunting. Please read over the entire syllabus closely because making sure you keep up with all the readings and quizzes is your responsibility. You have to do it. I can't make you do it, okay? I can help you. I can give you some resources, and that's what we're doing right now. So number one is the attachment sheet. I attach it to this announcement. It's also available on Canvas, and I would suggest printing it off and posting it somewhere on the wall, on the fridge, somewhere where, or in a folder, something like that, where you can tick off as you get every assignment done. Boom, right? Because you're going to have 8, 10, 12, 15 assignments due that Sunday. So if you get through 8 of them, then you've still got 6 to go or whatever, and you can know since it is Saturday and it's all due tomorrow night, and you've still got 7 or 15 or whatever to do. You gotta have some sense of how far along you are and how long it's going to take you to get through them all. Okay, this is encourage you not to put off work. You do not get rewarded by procrastinating in this kind of class. Overall, this is Anthropology 185, Cultural Diversity in the United States, a kind of introduction to anthropology that also gets us thinking about U.S. diversity and how to think about people who are different from us. This specific section is 100% online. We might never meet face-to-face. We might never chat in real time. All your work is done when you want to do it, where you want to do it, so long as you get it done before each Sunday night at midnight. There's a couple of assignments due on Thursday right at the beginning. Otherwise, it's due every Sunday night. So we call this asynchronous. Asynchronous means everyone in the course is working at their own pace. So you're required to discuss things with people. You might make your discussion post on a Monday morning at 9 o'clock, and nobody comments again until Wednesday afternoon. And then at Sunday morning at 2 a.m., all of a sudden a bunch more come. Just be patient with each other. That's how we're going. If you do it late, I'll catch up. I'll be assigning grades, and then if you do it in the meantime, I'll change that 0 to a 10 or whatever. Just keep getting your work in. You'll get there. You might make a discussion post. I mean, the assignments that have hard and fast due dates, you have to get them in during that time. But for these discussion posts, when you're working with other people, be patient. Please be patient if you ask a question, if it's not answered immediately. We're all working on different schedules. It's a 6-week compressed course. So normally in the semester we have 15 weeks. This is 6 weeks, so it's almost 3 times as fast. If you think, oh, I'm going to class 2 or 3 days a week, now you're going to class 5 days a week. That kind of schedule. You might spend 2 hours a day on the course. You might spend 10 hours over Friday and Saturday. It's up to you. It's just going to be intense. The course begins Tuesday, May 19th, and runs through the last week of Summer 1. That is Saturday, June 27th. There's an adjustment for Memorial Day, so we don't have anything due on Memorial Day, that weekend on that Sunday. But then we pile it up. It's bulked up the following 3 Sundays. So work ahead. You can work ahead. You can read stuff ahead. We have the book. We're getting to that. So work ahead. I expect you to be engaged throughout the week. However, I've been told it's easier to have weekly deadlines on Sunday nights so that you can clear the previous week's assignments and start on the following week. Okay? There are 10 modules plus Module 0, which gets you oriented to online learning, as well as the course syllabus. We'll go through 2 syllables each week, roughly. Please go ahead and order the one book. That is Lawrence Ralph's book. It's called Renegade Dreams, Living Through Injury in Gangland, Chicago, Chicago University Press. The ISBN, I have it down there. It should be around $20 online or at your local bookstore. There's an e-copy available through Miami Library, so if 6 of you are trying to read it at once, that won't work. Usually I think it's 2 or 3 can read it at once. All the other readings are online, provided via Canvas. You will have to get Ralph's book somehow and get it started before June 7th. June 7th, you'll be quizzed over it. The entire book must be finished by June 21st, so you've got a couple of weeks to get through it when the assignments require that you have read it. As we go through the course, please tell me if you need to change anything. I hope to be able to respond to emails within 24 hours and to have major assignments and exams graded within 5 days, okay? All right, that's all. Please contact me, SchaefJP, SCHAEFJP, at miamioh.edu if you have any questions at all. I am eager to meet you all online. Welcome and best wishes.